Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Hey guys, so this is my mom's channel, but she didn't feel like getting ready today, so I'm taking over her channel today. And if you haven't pressed the subscribe button yet, press it. Okay, so today my mom made shrimp po' boy. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, my face. There we go. And then she got her little special sauce on there. And then I just got a cup of water. Already been drinking it. And I don't like tomatoes, so come here.
I love tomatoes.
That's an Isla. Ooh, here you go.
Take two.
Alright. Now I'm going to start off with prayer. Amen. And I am going to take a thumbnail too.
When you held it up, it looked like a thumbnail than that. You could have just used the one before.
Huh? Alright, girl. Okay, let's try it.
Doing that?
Of course it's good.
It tastes good? Okay.
If you look on my Instagram story, wait. My mom knows that I love shrimp po' boy because if you look on my Instagram story, on my like highlight pages, you see all shrimp po' boys. That's all I eat if I'm like out somewhere.
And how they know to look up your Instagram stories? What's your Instagram? When she done chewing.
You can just put it up on the screen and type it in the video.
Okay.
Period.
She's gonna type it right here. Keyeira XL, Keyeira XL. And also, I have a YouTube channel as well, and it will be linked down below. So guys, what should we talk about today? Whoa. Since everyone's so energetic.
What do we want to talk about? Baby girl. Since you wanted to be in the video.
I don't want to be in the video.
Well, since you want to talk in the video.
I'm about to go do my homework after I finish this last tomato.
Oh, you don't want to be in it now. What, did you say any good movies lately?
Good what?
Movies.
Since the movies like closed and stuff, I haven't been.
Any TV shows, TV series?
Not any recent ones, but I've been watching like ones that just came out, like the seasons, like Euphoria. Like I rewatched that, and I don't be really watching TV like that.
Because.
But if I do,
Go ahead.
it's, I don't know. Like it depends on what mood I'm in. I can't even tell you when or when I don't watch TV. But go ahead. What were you about to ask me?
No, I'm about to say.
I was just rambling.
As far as TV shows, I saw Sisters by the Tyler Perry new series that just came out, and the last show that I watched before the season ended was she was messing with the guy who they said he was doing money laundering, doing all kind of crooked stuff. And he had 3 wives, but this second wife, and he was trying to get her to marry him. His second wife told him he was going to take her into nowhere, try to get away from her family, which he had to bought a house and try to get her to go out there. And out of nowhere, the feds ran down on him and took everything she owned because she was already an attorney. She was a lawyer. Took her house, took all her stuff out of her house, took her car, took her cell phone, because she let him put some money into her bank account. Did a wire transfer into her account, and one of her best friends worked at the bank also ended up getting in trouble because she transferred the money for her, thinking she could trust her friend, and she don't know she's not doing nothing illegal. So she just let her do it. She just transferred the money for her, and all along they saying that it was illegal. So the now the guy was trying to plead the fifth to the girl that's the lawyer, tell her that he didn't, it's a lie, they're trying to set him up, his ex-wife is setting him up, and the lawyer. So she's really confused and stuck in a hard place right now because she don't know who to believe at this point. She's like lost for her. So
the lawyer,
the lawyer and her friends won't, like, he call and collect, trying to explain, and she was always his help because she was the attorney, so she was helping him do everything, like if he got into something. So she saw his aggressiveness, like he would be like, if he get mad, he'd show it, and she started seeing this other side of him, but she still fell in love with this man. So now, he's locked up, and she ended up, now they're telling her that possibly she can go to jail because it's like $14 million that got transferred to her account. So they're like,
did she know that it was illegal?
No, she didn't know. She didn't know what was going on. But she did it for him. He told her that he was hiding from his ex-wife. He didn't want her to get it, so he just put it in her account. So she just agreed with it.
But you know how the system works.
The FBI ran down on her. They took everything. They don't want to hear that.
Yeah, if they see you in it, like, not knowingly, they're still going to.
Yeah, so she's going through it, and she's having a rough time
quick.
Right now.
I watched.
Yes,
that was really good.
You really did. You ate that like quick.
I told you that's my favorite.
I watched the
type of meal to eat. What you said?
Talk
to the camera.
I watched the Trolls movie, the second one, the Trolls World Tour. Even though it came out last year, we didn't really go to the movies that much. It had to be like really hot, and my parents would have to be like really energetic, which barely happens.
You don't think they're energetic?
It depends.
I think so.
Depends. And then quarantine came along. And then, so I finally watched it because it was finally free on Xfinity. You have to watch it on Peacock. So I just clicked on the thing.
So that was you who had the Peacock open, because Daddy was wondering who was watching Peacock.
I just wondered. I didn't know what Peacock was.
So did Peacock charge?
Oh, I don't know if it charged, but I think someone went to his email saying like
somebody was watching Peacock.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
I clicked on.
He was like, who was watching Peacock?
No, that was before I did it.
Yeah, he said it was a while ago before.
Yeah, way before. When I did it, it wasn't that much. It was like a week ago, and I wanted to see.
It was a week ago.
Yeah.
Oh, you did it recently?
Yeah. So then I looked up the movie. Because I've been wanting to watch it for the longest, whole year. So then I looked it up on Xfinity, and it said that you can watch it on Peacock, and I was like, I don't know what this is, but I clicked on it, and it just sent me to the movie. So I was like, all right, I'm fine with that. I didn't have to do nothing. It just went to the movie. So.
So she's done telling her
Interesting story.
She's done telling it.
Ooh, that's a pink plate, but
that's what I said.
Angles, it looks like it's white.
That's what I said.
Oh, you did? Oh, that was...
No, I was just saying. I agree with you. I thought it was a regular plate.
I know you wanted to be in the video. She always do that. And then say she don't want to be in it, and then she peeking around.
Yeah, trying to jump into our conversation, talking about some. I watched it.
And she just said she was gonna go in the room and finish
her homework.
I'm still eating my tomato. I just finished, Mommy. So anyway, you guys see the background?
Yes, we do. Well, they can't really see it.
They can't really see it. It says "Welcome to Receipt Up
Recording
Channel."
will be stopped. Go ahead.
So y'all, I have to go now. I need to go do my homework. My homework. So bye.
Bye. See you.
Bye,
Bye, girl.
Bye, Craig.
She don't know about that.
She said, bye, Felicia. Bye, Craig.
Bye, Craig.
You
said
get
bye,
it.
Felicia, so I said bye, Craig. All right, deuces.
You don't get it. Bye. What were we talking about?
We was talking about the shows that we was watching before the phone call interrupted it. You know what show I missed too? Power.
Well, I mean, they got that new season out.
Yeah, no, the Ghost. It's called Ghost. Ghost Book. Yeah, but listen, they only played. They missed 2 weeks so far. What? They didn't play 2 weeks. So I don't know what's going on. Hopefully it didn't go off. Or
I mean, I think they will tell you if it went off. Or
I didn't hear anything about it. You know, I don't really watch TV like that. Only time I get on if I go on demand to watch something, or either I'm watching like YouTube or I'm watching like Fatal Attraction, something. So that I don't really watch TV.
I don't know, because I think somebody else was. I heard someone else talking about it too.
About the Ghost?
Yeah, about it not coming on. I don't remember. I heard it like a couple days ago.
Yeah, I gotta look into that and see what's going on with it, because they can't be doing that to me. That's all I look forward to. Like, besides seeing my family and stuff, I like when I need to watch something, I watch shows like that. I don't really watch nothing. I used to watch Lifetime heavy, but now I don't get Lifetime no more.
Lifetime is fake. Not fake. They just repeat the same thing over and over and over again.
They be playing a couple of new movies.
But the same story.
The same
storyline. Like, it's like, come on, make something up. New. Hey, Tal. What are you doing?
Oh, no.
She's trying to sneak in the video.
She cannot get in my videos. Like,
all right. Okay. Go.
All right, Tal's enough. Go.
Go, Tal. Okay. What the? Oh my gosh. Anyways, but yeah, like I don't know, like I haven't really been watching any shows because all the shows that I watched, they haven't made a new season yet, so I haven't really been watching anything. Netflix. Oh, I have been watching 101, that old TV show. I have been watching that.
You know, I like the TV show Friends.
Friends?
Yeah.
Would you like Friends?
I watch that sometimes.
So, I mean, it's okay. I don't know. It's okay.
I like watching stuff like that because I like their songs.
Yeah, I like the theme song too.
Like,
what's that show called?
Cheers.
What's that?
It's a TV show too. Cheers.
Oh, an old TV show.
Yeah, old TV shows.
Golden Girls.
Yeah.
I like that show.
Yeah, I watched that. I like that. I'm trying to think. I think I'm gonna start watching the older stories, like Coming to America again.
You talking about like the movie Coming to America?
Yeah, Coming to America.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna start watching like the older stuff.
I love watching those movies.
Like Golden Child.
What's that?
You don't remember the movie, The Golden Child?
Who's in it?
Eddie Murphy.
I kind of figured Eddie Murphy was in it. I heard of it. I think who else is in it?
Little Chinese, the dude, little man, like you. I gotta show you. You don't even know what The Golden Child the movie is, so.
But I might know who the people that's in it though.
I don't know the names.
You said.
Yeah, I'm gonna see. How you do it?
You said.
Let's see which else one.
Little man. What does this little man do?
Movie.
Spike Lee.
Huh?
Spike Lee in it. I don't know. I just instantly thought about Spike Lee.
Spike Lee, no.
I think he was more like early 90s.
Yeah.
Eddie Murphy was like 80s.
The cast were Victor Wong. You still want to know who he was. The old man Chinese man.
He had a movie like, this is Eddie Murphy's movie?
He was in it.
I know he had a movie like, well, Nor did. Oh, okay.
You still don't know what it is, though.
I don't. No, I'm just saying, oh, okay, like, okay. I seen it on, like, the internet. What else? There's, I'm trying to think.
Let's see. So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Remember the Friends, that's Friends.
Yeah, that's fine. I hear it. This part sounds so different. You don't want to get copyrighted.
Yeah, we don't look at it.
Oh, that don't sound like the one off the
What, off TV?
Yeah.
What?
I don't know. It got a different like sound to it. So no one told. I don't know. Like you got listen to the one on the actual theme song and then that one.
That's because they was yeah, but you get the gist of it, like what I was trying to tell you. Like that was something different. That it was cute. It was cute.
It's a rare condition.
This day and age. That's another good one. That's another good one. I think I'm gonna watch. I must probably watch some of those tonight.
On what? On that. I gotta finish Different Strokes. I don't even remember the last time we watched it.
It's been a while, right?
It's been a while. Like I think when it was during quarantine. Was it? I don't know. Now I probably remember, but I don't. It was a while ago though.
Yeah, because Nana used to watch them every day. Like she was watching all the shows.
Literally, I think it was like it was after COVID. It was after like the quarantine thing was slowed down a bit, like when Peanut was born. That's when it happened. So it was like April. I mean, it didn't slow down, but it was like, you know.
Yeah. Something different. Okay.
Yeah. I think we exceeded this video. Okay. Besides us talking about that, the po' boy was really good. And I think I'm about to go get another one if there's enough. Yeah, I'm about to go get some more. And I hope you guys enjoyed my face, and me talking to my mother while she's not in the video today. But she'll be in the next one. So until then, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And also turn on those post notifications when you get notified to watch her videos. So yeah, that's it. Bye, guys.